Iki ngopine rada mistis titik iki. Jadi ceritane ana penampakan jin kura-kura. Ayo. Enak iki, Peng. Tuh. Rasane enak iki. Menikmati sore. Bisa. Oh, jago.
You can see the riding on the pavement. Young kids, they're growing up in basements. Online, a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better go take it. Always, they need a new replacement. Decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading. Call it suicide of the older generation.
What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah.
I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive, and save it.
What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah.
I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong.
Wes ketangkep penampakan jin kura-kura nih lho. Awak dhewe sampai gulung-gulung. Istimewa. Maksudmu ku yo apa? Meden-medeni wong sampai gak gelem nang sawah.
Gak ngerti bahasa belas aku. Ya opo lek ngene iki. Bahasa opo iki digawe? Ambek kura-kura iki.
Cuk, artinya ya iku mohon sekian dan terima kasih jare.
They know that we're calling